Enjoy ultra-wide coverage and fast transfer rate, up to 100 meg at 15 meters away from the wireless router. Yes, meet the world's first Wi-Fi 6 USB dongle, D-Link DWA X1850. An X1800 speed up to 600 meg for 2.4 GB and 1200 meg for 5 GB. Both OFDMA and MU-MIMO technology are supported, and loaded with the latest WPA3 network security. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. This is X1850 dongle. Great build quality with plastic housing, compact in size and light in weight. There are LED light indicator and air vents on the top. A lot more at the bottom. Yes, the shining metal is the heatsink to cool down this dongle. D-Link logo can be found at the end. Another part is the USB 3 port. That's it. This is the extension cradle, around 90 cm in length. It can help to improve the signal quality. As for installation, it is very simple. You can attach X1850 directly to your laptop, or use the extension cradle when connected to your PC. Just follow the quick installation guide will do. Then use the setup file to install the driver. D-Link X1850 supports 2x2 Wi-Fi 6 with 80 meg bandwidth. It can get connected up to 1.2 GB, but the transfer rate is up to 330 meg only on the 5 GB band. Wireless router compatibility issue, I believe. 2.4 GB band performance is about the same as 5 GB band on the same first floor where the wireless router is located. In short, you can get around 300 meg on the same floor. Next test location, 7 meters away and 1 floor below from the wireless router. It is getting sturdy 300 meg on the 5 GB band. Much lower on the 2.4 GB band, but still more than enough for the old devices that support it only. The furthest place, 15 meters away at end of the kitchen. Again, rock solid performance on 5 GB band. Perfect for 100 meg internet plan, as you can see. 2.4 GB band is just slightly behind this round. Ultra wide coverage indeed. In conclusion, D-Link DWA X1850 is a solid Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter for both laptop and PC. Interested? Please use my referral link below to shop. It will help me a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up too. Thank you. I'm Jace, glad to see you here. Peace.